Jai Gurudev children, did you all complete your homework? Are you practicing the number names? Good. In today's class, we shall continue with our textbook exercises in both composite and your Balganit book. Okay? Keep your textbooks ready. We shall start with today's class. Children, turn to page number 26 in your Balganit book. Write today's date. Here we have to write the numbers from 51 to 100. You remember, right? In our last class we had written numbers from 1 to 50. Now let's continue writing from 51 to 100. I have written the answers here, children. Now I want you to pause the video, write the numbers on your own from 51 to 100, then check for the answers. Will you do that? We have all learned writing numbers from 1 to 100 in our PP3 class, right? Then come on, start writing, then you can check the answers. Is it okay? Let's come to the next main. Here the question says fill in the missing numbers. That is, you have to count forward. How do we know that we have to count forward? See, read the numbers given there. 57, 58. So when you read it, you know the numbers in one's place. It is, we are counting in forward. After 7, 8. So here we have to count the numbers in forward and fill in the missing blocks there. Shall we start? You can write A, B, C, D, E so that you know that there are 5 questions here. Okay. We'll go to question A, 57, 58. So tell me, children, what is the number that comes after 58? Yes, 59, then 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. We have completed question A. We'll go to question B now. It starts from 62, then after number is 63, then after 63 it will be, yes, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, then it is 71. Very good. You need not see the screen now, children. I am repeating the number for you, right? You can look into your book and then write it. Okay. We'll go to question C. The number starts with 76, then it is 77. Then what is the next number, children, after 77? Yes, 78. Then 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. We have completed question C. We'll go to question D now. Here the number starts with 79. So the number that comes after 79 is 80. Then the number that comes after 80 is correct, 81. Then it is 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, then 88. Now when you come to question E, you see the number starts with 88 here. So the number that comes after 88 is 89, then it is 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96 and 97. Did you all complete? Good, children. Now here on page number 27, you have to write the numbers from 100 to 51. That is backward writing. You have to write the numbers in backward form. 100, 99, 98. That is how you have to write. Okay. So now even for this, the answers are already on your screen. I want you to write it on your own, children. Okay. Then you can play the video and check for the answers. If you have any doubt, you check the answers and then continue. Okay. We'll continue the exercise on page number 27. The question says fill in the missing numbers, and in the bracket they have told you backward counting. Now if they have not given here backward counting, forward counting and just numbers are given, how do you find out? You have to go to ones place, okay, and then see the number 7, 6. So in which order is it written? They have written it in backward counting form, correct? If it was 96, then 97, then they are counting after numbers, isn't it? You have to check like that before you solve the questions like this, okay? Now write A, B, C, D, E. Are you done? Shall we start? Now here you have to write the backward numbers. Let's start. 97, 96, then which is the number that comes before 96? Yes, it is 95, then 94, 93, 92, 91, before 91, yes, 90, before 90, 89, 88. We'll go to question B. 89, 88, then it is 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80. Are you writing, children? Now those of you who want to write on your own, you can write it and then check the answers, not a problem, okay? The question C, it will start with number 73, 72, 71, 70. What is the number that comes before 70? Yes, it is 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64. Are you done? We'll go to question D. Here it is 66, 65, then the number is 64, 63, 62, 61, then 60. The number that comes before 60 is 59, 58, 57. We'll come to question E. Here the number starts with 62. The number before 62 is 61. Then it is 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54 and 53. Did you all complete, children? Now let's take out our composite book, turn to page number 64 and write today's date. Here the question says, write the numbers. The number names are already given. We have to write the number. The first one is 18. We see the number written there. Now we'll go to the second one. It is 25. Then it is 34. Next it is 47. Next 30. Next 29. Next it is 33. Next 19. Next 41. The last one here is 12. Let's continue. Here the first question is 40, 36, 28, 14, 22, 50, 49, 37, 17 and the last one is 21. We'll come to page number 65. Here the numbers are given. We have to write the number names. Okay, let's write the number name for the number 47. FORTYSEVEN 7. 47. This is how we'll continue to write the number names. I hope you all are learning the spellings. Next it is 43. FORTY 40. THREE 43. The next number is 50. Then it is 26. The next number is 40. Children, are you observing the difference here? When you write the number 4, we write FOUR 4. When we write 40, we don't write the spelling as FOURTY. We don't write it as 40. We write it as 40. So FORTY is the spelling. Okay. next it is 36, 29, 23, 30, next it is 18, next 28, then 24, 14, 38, 31, 19, 17, 48, 45, 49, 35 and 41. You can take your time and write, children. You might be thinking that you are writing so much today, right? But we all have learnt it already in our PP3, isn't it? It is very easy for you all. I know you all know all these. So quickly finish it now, okay? Children, the page which you see is on page number 23 in your Bal Ganit book. Here you have to join the dots starting from number 1. Okay, just count the number forward and continue to join the dots. Once you join the dot, you will get a picture. You can color it. Okay, then you have to write the numbers that you have joined from 1 to 75. Okay. Children, this is page number 66 in your composite book. This is the similar exercise which we saw now in Bal Ganit. You have to join the dots starting from 1 in both the pictures. Okay, then you are going to get 2 different pictures. You can find out what you have drawn. Okay, if you want you can color, or else it's not compulsory to color, and you can take your time, children. It is not that you have to do it today itself. Take your time, then you can practice this. Okay, I hope you all have done the homework which was given to you. Excellent, children. Very good. Children, I hope you all are learning the spellings. That's really good. Take care of yourself, children. We'll all meet in our next class. Take care. Jai Gurudev.